and welcome to my channel. Let's get right into it. I'm going to show you some amazingly helpful products. This is the Burabi Smart Formula Milk Maker Pro. It's a smart automated baby formula dispenser. Look, in a nutshell, if you don't have one, get one because you need it. The Burabi is a lifesaver. It got us through around-the-clock frequent feedings, especially the late nights, early mornings, which can be rough on already sleep-deprived parents. The airtight formula reservoir is a moisture-resistant and a light-proof container. It holds a capacity of 400 grams of powdered formula whilst preventing moisture and spoilage. What makes the Burabi super versatile is that it can be used as an automated protein shake or chocolate milk dispenser by filling the reservoir with your favorite powdered mixed drink in place of formula. To the back of the machine is a generous 1.7-liter water tank with level markers, which can make up to 10 bottles. The formula reservoir, funnel, and water tank are made from food-grade materials specialized for baby, which are BPA-free and FDA-approved. To the front of the machine are the control buttons. Both the temperature and volume can be adjusted by selecting the plus or minus buttons according to your preference. And easy maintenance with the one-touch automatic cleaning. There's the water-only option and select Start for formula. The bottle stage height is adjustable . Depending on your baby's feeding appetite, the Burabi can make a range of servings from a minimum of a 1 ounce selection to a maximum of 8 ounces. The Smart App Control feature is very cool. It allows you to make a bottle of formula to the desired temperature and concentration in 10 seconds right from your phone. It can also connect up to 10 users on one machine. There's no preheating time, as the Thermos instant heating technology immediately and precisely makes a bottle of formula to the desired temperature. It's simply that quick. What I really appreciate about the Burabi is that there's no need to computate the formula to water ratio or to physically measure and shake baby bottles anymore. Because the Burabi Smart Formula Maker Pro has an intuitive, user-friendly operation which identifies different formula brands and their stages, realizing automation accurate measuring, proportioning and mixing of formula and water, yielding consistent, smooth results every time. Perfect. Here we have the Baby Brezza one-step formula mixer. It's the first motorized mixing pitcher which automatically mixes formula at the press of a button. Its unique mixing wand easily mixes without air bubbles or clumping. The mixing pitcher prepares and stores up to 28 ounces of formula. It has only 3 parts which makes it easy to clean. The pitcher is dishwasher safe. Its locking lid prevents spills, and the no-drip spout pours easily into all bottles. Its compact size makes it easily stored for both home use and on the go. The Baby Brezza one-step formula mixer can also be used to mix a range of your favorite mixed drinks, like protein shakes and chocolate milk. This is the Thermos stainless steel King Vacuum-Insulated 24-ounce food jar. It's super handy for hospital delivery stays and on those long trips with babies. Thermos is a reputable brand since 1904 for maximum temperature retention with its vacuum insulation technology, keeping hot drinks hot for up to 14 hours and iced drinks cold for up to 24 hours. Look how new it looks, and I have been using it for over 2 years with 2 babies back to back. It's made from high quality 18/8 stainless steel construction, which makes it extremely durable and dependable. An excellent feature is its sweat-proof exterior, which remains cool to touch with hot beverages. It's top rack dishwasher safe with a leak-proof drink lock sealing lid designed to easily be disassembled and cleaned. Okay, this is the Wow Gear 360 stainless steel water bottle. It's an innovative bottle, the first of its kind in the market, which features a 360-degree drinking valve. It's spoutless, no spill, double-walled stainless steel vacuum-insulated bottle made from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, designed to keep your cold drinks cold for up to 24 hours without sweating. Easy assembling and cleaning. It dismantles into just 5 parts: the valve collar, inner seal ring, travel lid, and silicone valve. And best of all, it's top rack dishwasher safe. Definitely get one of these for those on-the-go hot days at the park, etc. This makes a great take-along to keep your beverage cold. The Wow Gear works well with my toddler. He loves his. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Check the description box below for links to the products. Thank you.